Hey fam, let's make some toasted chicken sandwich, shall we? In a pot, add your chicken, add some onions, seasoning cubes, add black pepper, add some water. Now stir this, cover the pot and allow it to cook. Once your chicken is cooked, shred this chicken and then transfer the shredded chicken into a bowl. Add some boiled eggs. Add your bell peppers. I'm using both red and green bell peppers. Add some spring onions. Add some mayonnaise and some chili powder. Also add a pinch of salt, okay? Now combine this. Oh wow, guys, look at how beautiful this looks already. Okay, set this aside and then take some bread. Put some bread spread on it. Only one part of the bread, please. Now put the side with the spread on the side of the toaster, okay? And apply some of your chicken filling and then cover this with another slice of bread and toast till it is nice and golden brown. Guys, look at this. This looks beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Guys, have you enjoyed this recipe? If you've enjoyed it, type yum in the comment section. I'll see you again. Bye.